All right, trying to learn how this thing shoot. I think I'm getting it. So I stay on here, keep the settings. I'm learning the settings, everybody. Bear with me. I know that first video I dropped did not show the true quality of this camera, and that's because I didn't realize that when you put it on AI tracker, it drops the settings down to 1080. But I've got it in 5.7K now, and when you get ready to put it on and you're going to do action and movement, you put it on 4K 60 frames per second. So hopefully I got this. Bear with me now. This bad microphone sound. Have more professional sound. I'm investing a little bit into this. So you see. Thank y'all for bearing with me. Woo! It's been a little journey, huh? But this thing can be expensive. I can take these off. This stuff can get expensive. These cameras are not cheap. And then you gotta learn what you're doing. So, you know, let's cut that one.